Ever seen someone join a Facebook group and instantly drop a product link? It happens all the time. Someone new shows up, barely says hello, and immediately starts pitching something. It's awkward, pushy, and almost never works. Most people just scroll past, or worse, get annoyed and leave the group. That's the top reason most affiliate marketers fail. They treat social media like a billboard, not a community. They forget that people come to these spaces to connect, not to be sold to. People buy from those they know, like, and trust, not from random links. Relationships matter more than ever online. Spamming links everywhere damages your reputation and gets you flagged as spam. It can even get you banned from groups or platforms. Think about your own habits. When was the last time you bought from a stranger's link? Probably never. You're more likely to ignore or distrust those posts, but you have bought from creators you trust, right? Maybe it was a YouTuber you follow, or someone whose advice has helped you before. That's because they earned your trust first. They showed up, shared value, and built a real connection with you. Your real goal isn't to sell, it's to serve. Focus on helping people, not just making a quick sale. Show up consistently, provide genuine value, and become the go-to person for your topic. Over time, people will start to seek out your recommendations, answer questions, share your experiences, and help people solve problems. The more you give, the more trust you build. Only then do affiliate links make sense, as natural recommendations to an audience that already trusts you. That's when people actually want to know what you suggest. In this guide, I'll show you how to build that trust and turn your social media into a thriving affiliate business. We'll cover strategies that actually work, step by step. Let's build this right, from the ground up. Ready? Let's dive in and start your journey to affiliate success. New affiliate marketers often try to be everywhere: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, X, LinkedIn. But spreading yourself thin leads to burnout and mediocre results. The key: focus on one platform and master it. Choose based on your niche and style. Facebook for communities, Instagram for visuals, TikTok for quick growth, Pinterest for evergreen traffic. For example, Facebook groups are great for discussion and deep relationships. Instagram shines for niches like fitness, food, and travel. Use reels, stories, and carousels to engage. TikTok's algorithm can explode your reach with short, trend-savvy videos. Pinterest is perfect for DIY, recipes, and planning. Create pins that drive traffic to your affiliate content. Pick the platform that feels natural and where your audience hangs out. Master it before expanding elsewhere. Your profile is your digital storefront. Make it count. Think of it as your first impression, open to the world at all hours, even when you're not online. You have just a few seconds to show who you are, who you help, and how you do it. Make every detail count, because people decide fast whether to stick around or move on. Use a clear, friendly headshot, no logos, no blurry pics. A genuine smile and good lighting go a long way in making you approachable and trustworthy. Choose a simple, memorable username. Avoid numbers or symbols that make it hard to remember or search for you. Craft a bio with an I help statement, like, I help busy moms earn extra income from home. Be specific about your audience and the value you offer. Add a clear call to action, grab my free guide, or book a free consult. Tell people exactly what to do next. Use a tool like Linktree to host multiple links, your guide, top tools, and main affiliate offer. This keeps your profile clean and makes it easy for visitors to find what they need. Highlight social proof with pinned posts or highlights. Share testimonials, results, or reviews. Let others do the talking for you and build instant credibility. Every element should build trust and guide visitors to your next step. Consistency and clarity are key to making your profile work for you. Your profile isn't just a business card, it's your 24/7 salesperson, working for you around the clock, attracting leads and opportunities even while you sleep. Optimize it for conversions, not confusion. Make sure every visitor knows exactly what you offer and how to take the next step. Make it easy for people to know, like, and trust you. Respond to messages, engage with your audience, and show your personality. That's how you turn visitors into loyal followers, and ultimately into customers who believe in you and your brand. An optimized profile attracts attention, but it's your content that truly builds trust and establishes your authority in your field. Your profile is the first impression, but your ongoing content is what keeps people coming back for more. Don't just sell, serve your audience with valuable, helpful content that answers their questions and solves their problems. Focus on being genuinely helpful, and your audience will start to see you as a trusted resource. Tutorials are powerful. Show step-by-step how to use a product or solve a problem. Break things down clearly so anyone can follow along, and don't be afraid to share your own tips and tricks. Honest reviews and comparisons build credibility. Share what you love, and who it's for, or not for. Your audience will appreciate your honesty, even if it means a product isn't right for everyone. Comparison posts help your audience make informed choices. By weighing the pros and cons, you empower your followers to pick what's best for them. Share your journey, wins, mistakes, and lessons learned. Being open about your experiences makes your content more relatable and authentic. Document your progress and strategies. Let your audience see your real story. Show them the behind the scenes, not just the highlights. Transparency makes you relatable and trustworthy. When you're honest about your process, people feel more connected to you. People connect with stories, not sales pitches. Share the moments that shaped you and the lessons you've learned along the way. Consistently provide value, and you'll become the go-to expert in your niche. The more you give, the more your audience will trust your expertise. When you recommend a product, it feels like advice from a friend, not a sales pitch. Your genuine enthusiasm and honesty make all the difference. That's the secret to converting followers into customers. When people trust you, they're far more likely to take your recommendations seriously. Your story is your unique edge. Use it to inspire, connect, and build lasting authority in your space. Great content is only half the battle. Community is the other half. Don't just post and disappear. Engage in the comments and DMs. Reply to every comment, especially early on. It boosts your reach and shows you care. Go beyond thanks. Ask questions, offer advice, and acknowledge different viewpoints. DMs are gold. Give thoughtful, personal responses, even a quick video reply. These one-on-one moments build deep loyalty. Be active in your niche's wider community. Comment on other creators' posts, join groups, and offer help freely. This increases your visibility and positions you as a helpful expert. Over time, you'll attract collaborations and partnerships. Real authority is built through genuine relationships, not just content. Invest in your community, and they'll invest in you. That's how you turn followers into fans and fans into customers. Community is your secret weapon. Focus on organic growth first. Create value, engage, and refine your message. Don't rush into paid ads. They amplify what's already working, not fix what isn't. Only consider ads after you're getting steady followers, engagement, and organic sales. Use your best performing organic content as ads. Your audience has already voted for it. Start with a small budget to reach lookalike audiences. Track key metrics, click-through rate, cost per click, and return on ad spend. Double down on what works, cut what doesn't. Paid ads are an accelerator, not a magic bullet. Scale only when your system is proven. Grow smart, not just fast. Building from scratch is tough. Choosing a niche, creating content, setting up funnels, writing emails. Many beginners get overwhelmed and quit before seeing results. Done-for-you affiliate systems offer a shortcut. Ready-made products, funnels, and email sequences. They remove the tech headaches so you can focus on content and engagement. These systems often include training and a supportive community. You get step-by-step tutorials and a network of peers to learn from. It's like having a team and a roadmap from day one. While building solo is possible, leveraging a proven system can get you results faster. Focus on what matters. Serving your audience and growing your business. Sometimes, the smartest move is to use the tools already built for your success.